Hi, Mrs. Hickey here, and I just wanted to give you a short video on what the expectations were for your genetic disorder project. The project is due on Friday, April 10th. So I know I gave it to you for you to work on for Thursday and Friday. So you have 2 days, full days of working on this. And then you can have some time during the week as well, along with my other assignments for next week. So you can do it in a PowerPoint or a brochure or anything you want. Just need to have you answer all the questions. So you want to have the genetic disorder's name. So you want to make sure you have that. You want to make sure you have a picture of somebody that has the disease. And this is a list of all of the genetic disorders here. There are many more. These are ones that my students in the past have enjoyed learning about. But if there's one that I don't have on there that your family or you know somebody that has that disorder, absolutely. You may have a different disorder, just let me know. And these are the questions that you need to answer. What is the disorder? What causes this disorder? Who does this disorder affect and how? Are there any usual symptoms? What are the problems that it causes to somebody with the disorder? Are there any treatments? What would a pedigree look like? So you're going to give me a picture of that. How is it inherited? And have at least two pictures of what it looks like, what somebody looks like with it, how it's affecting them. So again, Friday, April 10th, this is due. If you have any trouble, just give me a call or text me, or you can get me on Edsby. All right, thanks. I hope this was helpful.